Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to open Lloyd's savings account using your computer. So if you want to know how it did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for how to open Lloyd's savings account. Okay, so just go ahead and click on enter. And now you want to click on this link. So just go ahead and do that. And this is the URL of this website. So you need to make sure that you've opened the right website, okay? So now here you can see the summary box before applying. So summary box for the easy saver. So now I want you to do is to click here at the open now option. And here you can see this, are you already a Lloyds Bank customer and registered for internet banking? So if you are a registered customer for internet banking on Lloyds Bank, just go ahead and click on yes. But if no, just go ahead and click on no. Okay? And then after that, just go ahead and follow the steps. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.